In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut in Adobe Express. If you want to quickly adjust an image so it fits your design better, cropping is one of the easiest and most useful tools to learn. In Adobe Express, the process is very simple, and once you know where to click, you can make clean adjustments in just a few seconds. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure the design or file you want to work on is already on your screen, so you can immediately access the image you need to edit. This makes the process smoother and helps you see your changes in context with the rest of your project. Next, select the image you want to cut. Just click directly on the image so Adobe Express knows that's the item you want to edit. This is an important step because the editing tools at the top will change depending on what you have selected. Once the image is selected, go to the top toolbar and find the crop option. Click on it, and this will open a panel on the left side of the screen. That panel gives you the controls you need to adjust how your image is cropped. You'll now see different crop options available. These can include a freeform crop, preset sizes, or even shape-based options, depending on the type of result you want. Freeform is helpful if you want full control over the cropped area. Preset sizes are useful when you need your image to match a specific format, and shapes can be a nice choice if you want a more stylized look. Choose the option that works best for your design. After that, reposition the image inside the crop area if needed. This is where you fine-tune the result. If part of the image is more important than another, make sure it sits nicely within the visible crop area. Taking an extra moment here can make the final composition look much more polished and intentional. When you're happy with how it looks, click outside the image to apply the crop. That action confirms the change and updates the image in your project. If needed, you can always review the result and continue adjusting your design from there. And that's it. That's how to cut an image in Adobe Express. It's a quick edit, but it can make a big difference in how clean and professional your project looks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.